Hey guys, this is Sam from instinctlearning.com and I have some news for you. We are coming out with a lot of new videos. As you could see, I already uploaded 2 new tutorials. So we are preparing new products for you, new video tutorials, new preset libraries. The summer season is over, so it's time to get to work again. And yeah, expect uploads every Tuesday. I will upload new videos every Tuesday, and in between also I will upload videos, especially in the next time. I just have a brand new setup that works amazingly well. No stutters, high quality screen capture with high quality camera and high quality microphone. So the quality is overall just a hell lot better than before. So I'm excited to get started again with Instinct Learning and pump out new products and work more on it. So stay tuned and see you soon.